We have a rocky rolly boat for one thing. First may put some bread in the oven, and it is rising. I've got some coffee making here on the percolator, using the old style percolator. And we are underway. Unfortunately, we're still running the Iron Jenny to a certain degree, although we do have enough wind to really kind of help out a whole lot. We're about 8 miles from the island. There's the northwestern tip. We're gonna go ahead and turn to the north and go up this side of the island and go around the peak and go down the backside. That's our plan. Picked up a little. It looks like the ocean's picked up a little too. We get some 4 and 5 footers, and about every third swell is a 6 footer. I think I may have seen one a little bit bigger than that a time or two. Not a big deal. We're going into it, so it's a little rolly on the bigger ones. Over here we've got the lighthouse. It's just that little stick up on top, right there. This is the northwestern point of Catalina. We're going around, head down back down the windward side. Tired of seeing these rock formations. We are officially on the windward Pacific outlooking side of Catalina. If I can hold on to things here, a little rocky and rolly. Get out here sometimes. Fishing or research, one of the two. I don't know if you can see it because the rocks tend to blend in. This is the rock on the left-hand side going into Cat Harbor, and then the other side over there. So we are heading into that entrance right there. Little harbor's down over that way. We chose not to go there this time because it's a little rolly and it's a little bit of a pain to get into and get your anchor to grab. But Cat is easy to get into. Like I said before, it's nice and steady. Hello YouTube buddies, we're at Cat Harbor. We pulled in, dropped anchor. Here, let me give you a look around. Turn around and look. I assume that's an old bait barge there. There's the Pacific Inlet there. Japan, about 6,000 miles that way. And we're parked up against this shore, about 25 feet of water. Some nice kelp beds for the first mate to throw her line into, see if she can get us a sea bass. Or halibut, either way. We're not particular. There is 2 harbors there. Bismuth on the other side, Cat on this side. This is the one we walked across to in our last video. We were actually on the other side, the leeward side of the island in our last video. Now we're anchored at the windward side. Takes longer to get around, but well, as you can see, my gosh. You see any masts swaying over here? It's because of the way the harbor's shaped. It's ridiculously calm over here at night. It's great. I mean, this is the major ocean swells that are in here right now. We were at 6-footers out there, but when they get in here, they're nothing. They're broken up. So we're probably going to go ashore and take Dog Friday for a walk and hang out and then come back. Hello to you two friends. Well, it's Sunday evening. It is, looks like 6:45. And here we are in this peaceful harbor. The wind has been just ridiculous. We've already had to pull up anchor and move because we're kind of dragging a little bit. The wind is blowing a good 20 knots, which is good for it's keeping our batteries really charged with the wind generator. So that's a good thing. Anyway, lobster traps in. We got a fishing line in the water. We're going to see what happens. And keep the drift alarm turned on. So, yeah, we'll probably get on the island, get in the kayak or the skiff and go to the island tomorrow and wander around a little bit. So maybe we'll get some more video of that.